Okay, it's Easter morning. Jillian's first Easter.
Okay.
Let's open your Easter basket.
Let's see if she wants to.
Hop down, you crazy.
There's your basket.
Hooray!
Here you go. What do you want out of it?
You want the cow? Oh, good snag.
You got the cow. Want your socks? She got her socks.
Alright, good choice.
Good socks.
How about an Easter egg? Yep, those are delicious. How about this fun book? Easter bugs.
Is that like Feely bugs?
Oh yeah. Help her open.
Here we go.
What's in the egg?
Oh man.
Bugs. That'll be fun for church today. Look at this, you got another book. Look at this book. You love it.
Good books. Any Easter treats?
Mom and Dad ate them all.
Nothing's in the eggs. Nothing's in here, sweetie.
We can put some rice cereal in there if you want. Say Happy Easter, I'm just like an Easter egg.
Cute.
Too bright.